Here at WEDI, no effort is spared so that you can lay the foundations for your customers' dream bathrooms. With the WEDI shower elements, you can build with confidence. A shower where your customers can lay back and enjoy their personal wellness oasis. All components have a modular design. They are extra light, but at the same time enormously strong and completely waterproof. The variety of flush-to-floor shower elements with slopes and an extensive range of accessories enable you to fulfill your customers' individual desires. Our business operates in 36 countries worldwide, but the heart of WEDI beats in Emsdetten in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. Along with the main factory, our administration, research and development laboratory and logistics center can also be found here. All production units are ISO 9001 certified and have been designed by our own engineers. Our employees manufacture each WEDI product using the latest technology and high-quality materials, and more importantly, they build them with great passion. We check each product thoroughly, during production as well as during quality control. In addition to this, all of our tailor-made systems and steam shower cabins are built and tested in our factory before dispatch, so you can rest assured that everything will fit and function precisely on site. You can order and install our products around the world. Thanks to our computer-aided logistics, tracking networks and our own fleet of trucks, we ensure that they reach you quickly and safely. Research and development is an important building block in WEDI's DNA, because our aim is to constantly further perfect our products in order to provide innovative solutions and continuous support for retailers and tradesmen. This is the world of WEDI systems. For us, everything revolves around manufacturing the perfect product so that you can implement your innovative bathroom ideas and those of your customers quickly, easily, and reliably.